Come here, Mika. Mika, come here, come here, come here, come here. Let's show everybody Mika. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is our little new puppy, Mika, and this is my Porsche GT4. Wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the neglected Porsche that I have been keeping in the garage. We got a little upgrades coming to it soon, so let's talk a little bit about the Porsche.
Yo, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me I have the neglected Porsche GT4 that you guys haven't seen for a very long time. So today I want to discuss doing wraps or decals on this car. I need your help, so I need you to comment below all the ideas or pictures that you've seen of Agat finished Porsches and decals that look badass. My thoughts on the things that I envision with this car for now is something like this. Thinking about doing my lip on my rims in red. Now the lip is right here, and I think in red it'll pop because the great finish on the rims with a red caliper. Red lip will look badass. Now this car is in Agat, so it's a pretty basic color. If I want to just do decals, I'm thinking satin black Porsche logo on the side of the car, glossy red finish right here, 2 red stripes going down the middle with a satin black outline. If we go through the back of the car, thinking right here maybe satin black or a gloss red, and then satin black Porsche logo on the back spoiler. That's like the basic decals. Now if I want to go all out, I was thinking maybe doing a chrome red wrap. Again, if you guys seen any Porsche GT4s that have a sick wrap, decal work, something that looks insane, comment below, tag us the pictures. You know what I mean? Follow us on Instagram, shoot us some DMs. Let me know what you guys think I could do with this car to make it more race looking like. Thanks again for watching another mogul video. Stay tuned because we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with this, and you guys will see the before and the after. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.